Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to fix Gcash has detected that your device has a custom ROM or an unlocked bootloader. Okay, now you can see your problems here. Now solve this problem. Follow my all steps. First of all, go to your settings. Click on settings. Now scroll down. Click on developer options. Now scroll down. Click on OEM unlocking off. Click on developer option off. Now back to home screen and go to Play Store. Click on search and check update Gcash. Search for Gcash. Click on this. Now update your Gcash. Updating this. Updating Gcash. Now back to home screen and go to your Gcash. After all this process, now check your problem. I hope your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.